What's up, YouTube? This is Everything We Sold Wednesday and Thursday. My name is Larry. I'm a full-time retail seller on eBay, and I sell a little bit of everything. We sell media, autographs, toys, t-shirts, vintage t-shirts, collectibles, all kinds of stuff, games, puzzles, and I show you the stuff I sell, so maybe you guys can start selling that stuff too if you are not used to the hobby. I also do sports cards, all kinds of stuff. So this is Everything We Sold. If it's something you're interested, check it out. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe to all, that way you can see all my videos. Let's see what we sold on eBay. Fire Season 2. We bought this at a flea market for $1.50. Actually, it was a pawn shop for $1.50. And we sold it for $14.99. Sealed season sets usually sell pretty well, so keep an eye out for those. Hey, we sold another one of those female superheroes. Oh, we're down to 2 female superheroes. There's going to be some mad girls because we're almost out of these things. Sold it for $11.99. I bought 100 of each of them for 50 cents a piece. They are a gift that keeps on giving. Downton Abbey. Guess what? This is going to be really easy. We just bought 4 of these at the pawn shop 2 days ago. We sold the first one yesterday, or 2 days ago, and we sold 3 of them yesterday. So we need to grab all these 3 because all these 3 are sold. We paid $1.50 a piece for these. I bought 4 of them. We sold each of these for $19.99 a piece. So that was good money right there. Sold it was a Marilyn Monroe Misfits shirt. Hopefully it's in here. I believe it's this one right here. Yeah, there's Marilyn. It was a Misfits like skull face, but then there was a Marilyn kind of put in there, and we sold it for $14.99. We didn't make a lot of money. We paid $1.99 for it. Sold a DVD called Ambulance Girl. And you know what? I'll try to take that sticker off. It was new. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. Sold it for $9.99. Sold a Blu-ray Turbo. There it is. We bought that Big Lots for $2, I believe. $2 or $2.99 maybe. What did we sell it for? Sold it for $14.99. That's the Blu-ray 3D version. Flashback. This is an out-of-print movie. It's Dennis Hopper, Kiefer Sutherland. It's used, and we paid $1 for it, pawn shop. And we sold it for $23.99. Look at that. All right, I sold a West Virginia shirt, but we had to move most of that stuff off of there to get to this. Like I said, my office is a wreck again. We're going to have to do something about it. Anyway, we sold this new WVU Beast of the East. I believe this is from the early 90s. And it came from a t-shirt shop. And they've been sitting in somebody's garage for like 20 years. And then the guy died and his wife just got sick and tired of the stuff being in the garage, so she donated it all. But we sold this for $44.44. We bought 450 of these shirts, like different shirts. There's 275 of this type shirt, maybe 300. But then 125 other kinds of shirts. But we got them for about 30 cents a piece. So we've been doing really well with them. One of the shirts was a Nike shirt we sold for $350. So this has been one of our best deals ever. Sold a Dallas Cowboys jacket. I'm hoping it's this one right here. I'm not sure if it's this one or not. Let me check. There's supposed to be a chalk line. It was this jacket, and we paid $2.99 for this jacket, and we sold it for $40 delivered. It'll probably go first class. All right, guys, that's everything we sold Wednesday and Thursday. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, man, just leave it in the comments. I like to answer questions and stuff. Also, I have some through the mail autographs. I just did an episode of that earlier, and I get all kinds of cool autographs in the mail. So if you guys are interested in that, check that out. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Ring the bell, all that fun stuff. Have a good one, guys.